I'm Dr. Ross Perry, and I'd like to welcome you to cockatielshealth.com. That's cockatiel with an S, cockatielshealth.com. I'm building this website with an ulterior motive, a secret perhaps, and that is I aspire to help make a difference to cockatiels that are stuck in cages around the world. So we're going to help improve the nutrition, the caging, and meet the needs of cockatiels here and there. One of my purposes is to talk about nutrition and improving their diets. Another purpose is to improve the cages, their perches, the toys that they're provided with, and reduce the toxins that are so commonly placed in cockatiel cages. We'll talk about their need for companionship. We'll talk about wing clipping and the many accidents, in inverted commas, that result because people clip the wings of cockatiels. We'll talk about infectious diseases, especially a very common one that is known as chlamydophillosis or psittacosis when it affects us. That is a disease that quite commonly is transferred from sick cockatiels to people if cockatiels have chlamydophillosis. Important to know about that disease. We'll talk about other infectious diseases of cockatiels, coliform infections, megabacteria, coccidiosis, Giardia. We'll talk about roundworms, capillaria. We'll talk about lice and mites and things of that nature. We'll talk about dietary imbalances. We'll talk about lack of exercise. We'll talk about pododermatitis and bumblefoot. It's where they get sores on their feet, on the underside of their feet, often from unsuitable perches, sandpaper perches, and various mineral blocks that cockatiels are expected to stand on. Totally inappropriate. We'll talk about heavy metal poisoning, which commonly comes from rusty bells, rusty parts of the cage, rusty toys and things, or it can come from lead paint, saucer lead, copper, brass, solder around the house. We'll also talk about how to handle cockatiels, how to calm them, how to tame them, how to teach them to talk, and how to recognise if they're sick, signs of sick bird look. Finally, we'll talk about how to treat them and how to support their health and well-being without having to depend on drugs and pharmaceuticals. So please keep coming back to cockatielshealth.com as I develop this site. In the meantime, if you need me to examine your cockatiel, do a health check, or to give you some personal advice on your cockatiels, please ring me for an appointment on 0419 693 279. That's 0419 693 279. If you can't contact me there, please visit one of my other websites, drrossperry.com.au. That's drrossperry.com.au. And there you will find lots of information, not just about cockatiels, but about other pets, especially birds. You'll find out other ways of contacting me. I work by appointment on the northern beaches of Sydney, practicing from Cromer. Cromer is near Brookvale, DY, Longreef, French's Forest, and it's not far at all from the North Shore of Sydney. From Sydney Centre, it's about half an hour's drive. So I'm readily accessible if you need to see me. If you want to contact me from afar, still ring the same number and we'll arrange a long distance consultation, or you'll be able to contact me on Skype and we can have a consultation on Skype or by chat. Hope to see you again soon, and keep coming back.